Hello guys and welcome back. So now as you know that we can store the number of health bottles and energy bottles. Now in the same way we will be storing the grenades as well, because if you go ahead and pick up the grenade, okay, and then try to throw the grenade, as you can see there is no limit on the number of grenades the player has. Okay, the player can throw infinity grenades. So we actually don't want that. We want to give a few numbers of grenade to the player whenever he picks this grenade game object from the weapons menu. Okay, so for that, on the game manager script, let's create an integer by the name of number of grenades, and then on the pickup item script right here, when we pick up the grenade, now we will add a limit of just 5 grenades. Okay, so whenever the player picks up the grenade, then the number of grenade the player will have will only be 5, and when the player uses the grenade, then the number of grenade will keep decreasing by 1. Okay, so give 5 grenades like this. Okay, type gm dot number of grenades plus equals to 5. Then on the grenade thrower script, let's open that script. Right here, when we are throwing the grenade, we will now decrease the number of grenades. So for that, first of all, we need to add a reference to the game manager script. So right here we will say public game manager, let's name this as GM. Then right here we will say GM dot number of grenades. So if the number of grenades is greater than 0, then we will allow the player to throw grenades, and when the player throw grenades, then we will simply decrease the number of grenades by 1. So we will say minus equals to 1. That is it. And when the player has 0 grenades, then this condition will just simply expire and the execution will not happen. So if we save the script, get back to Unity, let's click on player. Then in the player we have the script right here, grenade thrower, in which we will provide the game manager script in the reference, and then let's play the game, and make sure that you click on game manager so that we can see the grenade right here. Okay, so now if we pick it, as you can see the number of grenades are 5, and now if we try to throw a grenade, okay, we didn't select the grenade from the inventory, so if we press 4, as you can see now the grenade is active. Let's throw the grenade, and as you can see when we throw the grenade, the number of grenade decreased by 1, it is now 4. If we throw it again, it is now 3. So you can see now the number of grenades is decreasing one by one whenever the player throws the grenade. So with this done, let's end this video right here.